Hear me I say a Facebook hero. And when you want to watch a bad video them on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. I hear that Negusimara. Hear me I say Negus Nation big up on the damn self, man. Fully X young and Facebook hero represent for your body YouTube channel and the podcast. More everybody subscribe, like and watch out the video them right now too. You hear that? Fully X mad. Up. Word. Pretti done. This me the other day.
That bro.
Talk about me house and me have my house and my woman name. At least I have something. When time me and my woman are arguing at this, I tell about some personal life now. When me and my woman are arguing at this, I know me left for she. Because of my place. Not because in a feared house name.
Word.
In America, I don't have a proof of income. I'm not working for 3 years. I don't have IRS papers for 3 years. Uno dunce but no throw me around and say me dunce every day. Uno have to listen to yourself and know what not talk. You understand? We then dunce. Yeah. You never see me I go work yet. You never see me a punching clock yet. You never see me with proof of income yet. So when they think them attack and they feel like them want bring we down on a level.
Who is hero?
Okay.
The man I live off of social media for 6 years now.
6 years. I notice where them live and where me live. So me I try show they cannot keep up with me. And you know what? Why? Negus, they want to know what I'm doing.
Word.
They want to say hero scammer, you want drugs, man. You want if my teeth is real, where hero money I come from. Where. Pre-levels, me I tell you.
Real talk, man. And them don't like the advancement, bro. Them don't like the elevation.
They don't like it.
So any little thing them can say for try hurt it. Oh, you're also in a woman name. Bro, if I don't have the documents needed to put my name on a house and get approved by the bank, the next best thing is trying to get my booby for side out for me. Easy.
But they not pre that because they don't have no ambition.
Yeah, and them I try to hurt their feelings, but that not work. I need somebody to get it. So
me have a booby can put your house in a yeah what you have.
Jobber.
Yes, what me I try.
So bro, what really go out there and done, bro?
All right then.
Because bro, Uno was a attest duo right after my boy there, no?
Listen to me.
What happened?
Dan come around here every day. I tell you if you put him on. Put him on what? You can't come around here 2 weeks and say put me on, put me on. Put you on what? What we are put you on pan? So what you try to say? So you come on and you see me dog them in a Benz, you see BMW, you see everything. And you say you have to put you on till Dan stop come here. Anyway, boom. Me and your dog, Negus. Me and your dog. Me and Dan a dog.
I would
me and Dan
me think so.
Dog.
Me think so.
Me and Dan a dog. And if your dog a keep a party and then you put your party for your dog date, fuck that. Florida big. Then you bring your party 13 seconds away from your dog. You a pussy. Fuck you and fuck your family, bitch. Straightforward. Hey, you see, if I never need to go show, I can tell you something. Hey, me tell you this. You don't want to get me cross, boy.
But, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, I enjoy see the G them like so you and Dan roll.
What make you think it hurt me, sir?
But look at now, but yes, sir.
Hold on, Negus. What make you think when Dan cuss me upon our life, me no go back go say nothing? Cause me can't say nothing for hurt Dan. You know what me know about Dan? Me can't go back go say nothing about him to her, cause me never did. Like me shock. Dan shock me, you like yo, me shock you, fuck you, like Dan.
Out of everybody.
Out of everybody, dog. When me bill,
Dan
coming at my house.
Me surprised
coming at my house, I talk me to dog. Dan, me did that when Dan woman text my woman the day after, next day, and I talk about. I remember me go live, you know.
Right.
I mean, I said, woman, come back, please come back. Trick me.
Oh yeah, I
in my house. Style.
Wait, no. Hold on. Now you are different. Hold on. So all the time we go live, all the time we are post. Mama the inner the house.
Anyway, style me I use. So anyway, our woman text my woman.
Yeah.
Say, yo, you good? Because I see what's going on the media. My woman woman just text box I'm a good man. I mean, I'm a woman they there up on text man. I mean, I say, see the things they want to talk about, go talking.
Facts.
Yo, listen to me. You know top from Blatham, don't?
Yeah, man.
Show me top. Show me Pretti done.
Yeah, over there, do that. We are not the boy. Hey, boy, you're a mischief. Boy, you're a mischief, you know.
No, I just don't care no more, bro.
Damn.
Yes, me just not care, dog. Look at me, bro. What me I worry about?
Bro, me not like see them thing there, bro. Cause, bro, you and Dan, bro, you and Dan, bro, you and Dan used to. You see me say?
You can't say that. You cannot say that.
Bro, come on. Are you and Dan
and
that
things go. Are your mother Pitney?
Well, that's true.
Are your mother Pitney?
No.
Are your father Pitney?
No. I understand what you say, you're right.
There's some people for around now we are hold on your life. We are hold you down. Who real there, who no real gone. You ever pray that yet? Why we focus on the people them we left so much and not give the credit to the people them we're still here?
That is true. That's a great point. But again, bro, communication could have solved a whole heap of things like our Pretti levels in. Dan, me watch a little piece of one Dan live and she'll say, yo, are you the one?
Where that's the name?
You
come at level. Bebel.
Yeah.
You can't pre-write when your mind corrupt. Only thing you're going to pre is corrupt. Just when you're ignorant and dark, only thing you pre in your heart is ignorant and dark. Just when you're fool, you're fool. When you're rich, you're rich. When you're poor, you're poor. When you want sleep, you want blood class sleep. You ever pray that, Negus?
So, see, I said,
my brother, me alright here, man.
See, I said, damn.
Me alright, you know, me myself. Because right now, me I tell us upon a level youth.
Yeah.
Look upon me. That you never see me, you ever see me a boss set. You ever come to one party and you ever see me in a VIP. You ever see me turn up on a cabin and no stage.
That's facts. Yo, me hear a book for a party and I'm in a VIP. Here there in a crowd. A real talk. Me alone in a VIP who did book for the show. Here there in a... Because me a book for his party, you know. And here there in a crowd and everybody and me over here saw in a VIP a scusi.
Because me love in a crowd with my people. Them.
Yeah, facts.
Me no want no VIP.
Yeah.
You know why? Everybody in a VIP boss. Drink and party. Want go in a crowd with me. Get up people them.
True.
Get up gourmets.
For real.
So
there's... Bro.
There's nothing can fix nothing.
No, here, dog. Alright, so for the people that will say, oh, you keep on a follow to them people, and they must say, yeah, the problem.
Still link?
No.
You know, say, all him want next son too.
You know where they are?
Corrupt in the man, corrupt in the
Jaja. What to my girl there? What? What? What
I'm to sitting there? Where him there? What I'm to him?
Ooh.
Slick.
I don't know, brother.
Ah, man.
I don't know, bro.
You see it? Me block certain people out of my mind. So all him a long time, me not see him. Me block them out of me see like me can't me people delete them.
Word.
And that's something start setting for new year. You see anything you want to say nothing to me, you box me down, man. Just box me down and me box it down, you thump me down and me thump it down. You back off for now, I got no weapon in the net this year and next year.
Facts.
Me draw myself from people. Build a thing for yourself, my G.
Get
a little podcast and deal little thing. Cause guess what?
Facts.
You see people, they don't know how to build. You understand? You see, that of them problem. They don't know how to build. So you know why? So what they do, they use other people's strength and build them thing. And then disrespect people who help build them thing. You understand? When me I try to tell you, we remember in a Georgia one time I'm a book for a show in a youth. And I'm chilling and ready to go perform on my show. And Slick Whiteline sit right there about 4 hours and wait for me to do a video with him. And look at it now, he come and disrespect me after. You see me I say? And I'm a manager force me to do the video too. Come I try to tell you say, what me I try to tell you? No, I bet you would wait 12 minutes. Because they feel like he reach somewhere in a life. You see me now, I come for my life every day, drink me beer, smoke my weed, because in my life, in my mind, me not reach nowhere yet to come here and start boast for my fans them.
Word.
And ex-gang know that.
Word.
Fully ex to my people, them and my friend them know that. I can't come on and start try to live pretend life. So that means you're fake to yourself.
Word.
So pre-levels, my G. You have some style where some man not have. So at that, we never show them a fully recipe in our book. And they never sit around for wait and see a recipe. So they feel like, watcha, you need the flour, I see I need it. Pussy that. Rare. But you know, so long the flour in a pot of boil.
True. That's facts. That's facts, brother. That is
3
facts.
levels.
Brother, and me I tell you this right now, bro. All the way you say, bro, are real facts. And, you know, me learn certain things. Yeah, man, me see it, man. Me I dash it up on this. Me learn certain things where, in the game where it show me say, yo, brother, a whole heap of them people there, bro, them dirty dog, a whole heap of dirty heart in the business, bro. So when me have to do, me just live my life accordingly, bro, and, you know, deal with who deal with me, brother. It's simple as that, because I'm not going to stress up myself over somebody when I rate me from them time till now.
So that me I try to tell you
You see
from
me I
all
say?
the time.
Yeah, from all the time, bro.
You have a pre-levels. Yeah, me I see on Facebook. And when you want to watch a bad video them on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. I hear that Negusimara. Hear me I say Negus Nation big up on the damn self, man. Fully X-Young on Facebook here represent for your body YouTube channel and the podcast. More everybody subscribe, like and watch out the video them right now too. You hear that? Fully X mad.
Up.